As I'm everyone, hope you all are doing great and well. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great and well again. So I'm back with you guys with another video, and it's related to something related to area of circle. We were done with the circumference. Now we're doing area of a circle. So circle is a set of all the points in a plane that are same distance from a point called the center. The radius of a center is a distance from the center to any point of the circle. The diameter is a distance across the circle through the center. So we have already learned about this thing in detail, so I just wanted to recap these things. So what is a pi? So the constant ratio between circumference and diameter of a circle is called the pi. Like circumference divided by diameter is equals to pi. So this is what a pi is. It's a constant ratio between circumference and diameter of a circle. The circumference c of a circle is equal to pi times diameter d, or pi times twice the radius r. That means circumference equals to pi d, or circumference equals to 2 pi r. This is the area of, this is the formula of finding the circumference. Now the circle has radius r. Find an expression for its circumference in terms of r. Now circumference is equal to pi, diameter that is equal to pi multiplied by 2 multiplied by radius. That means pi multiplied by 2 multiplied by r. That means circumference equals to 2 pi r. So this is how this formula was invented. Now here you know that pi is equals to pi multiplied by diameter is the formula. Okay. Now pi multiplied by what is diameter? It's 2r basically, or you can write pi is equals to 2 multiplied by r. 2r means that r and 2r mean multiplied by it. At the end we came up with that 2 we wrote first because it was a whole number pi r. That's it. That's how the formula was driven. Got it? This is the science behind this derivation. Okay, now match the columns. Let's do it. Line segment joining any boundary of a center is called the radial segment, and any part of a boundary of a circle, any part of boundary of a circle, it's called the arc. And the longest chord, half of longest chord, it's radius, because diameter is the longest chord and its half is radius, and twice of pi r, it's circumference of circle. And the region, what's an area? So the region enclosed by a 2D flat shape is called the area of figure. Can you guess our today's topics? Yes, it is derivation of area of circle. So do you remember area of square is equals to diameter multiplied by area of rectangle is equals to diameter multiplied by weight, area parallelogram is equals to base multiplied by height. So these were the formulas: area of square, rectangle, and parallelogram. So circumference equals to 2 pi r. Using this we can also find the area of a circle. We can split the circles into multiple equal parts to try to make a rectangle. So let's try with 4 parts. Okay, this was a circle and we made its 4 parts, not every rectangular. Okay, this is not rectangular, this makes any other shape. Okay, it's not very rectangular. This is basically something like triangle, you can say something. Okay, then we are having now you can use this, we can split the circle into multiple equal parts to make a rectangle circle. Now let's try 8 parts. Okay, so we are having this. Now let's try 8 parts. Okay, so we are a bit better, but still room to improve it. Okay, now we can try 20 parts. Okay, so this it's getting here. Okay, it's getting better and it's getting here. Okay, so as the number of parts increases, we get closer and closer to rectangle. What's the width and length eventually be? Okay, this side is the width and this is the length. So area of rectangle is equals to r multiplied by width, that means pi r, multiplied by r, that means pi r squared. Okay, how length basically is pi r and width is r, so pi r multiplied by r, that makes pi r square. Okay, this is the area, formula of area. So if we take product of pi and square of radius, we get the area of circle. Like square radius squared times pi is equals to area of circle. Okay, that means square radius times pi r, or that simply we can write square of radius square of radius and pi, or we can simply write it pi r squared. Okay, that's the area of circle. Okay, if diameter is given, you can find radius and then the area of circle. Okay, if radius square or r square same as 2 multiplied by radius or double of radius, no, let's take as the radius as 3 centimeters. So 3 square of 3 is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by is equals to 9. So whereas 2r, that means double of this means that 2 multiplied by 3, that means. Okay, so 2r is equal to 2 multiplied by 3. that is equals to 6. So be careful while finding the area. R2 or square of radius means product of R with R. Okay? So if radius 2 is equals to 196 centimeter square, find the area of the circle. So area of circle is equals to pi multiplied by radius square. So here a radius square is equals to 169 centimeter square. So area circle, you can simply multiply by pi. You're gonna get 20. You can do the simplification of 7 and 196. You're gonna get 22 multiplied by 28 centimeter square. You're gonna get 1616 centimeter square. So find the unshaded area of the figure given below. Step 1, guessing the name of figure. So unshaded figure is circle. So step 2, you have to decide whether 35 centimeter is radius or diameter. Here it is radius. So here it is here it is radius. Unshaded radius equals to area of circle is equals to pi r square, that is equals to 22 or 7 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 35. You have to simplify 7 with 35. You're going to get 22 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 35 is equals to 3850 centimeter square. Now find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of radius 84 centimeter if the rate of polishing is rupees 10 per centimeter square. Given radius equals 24 and pi is equals to 24/7, to find cost of polishing the top surface, you have to plan first to find area of top surface, then cost of polishing. Area of top surface of table is equals to area of circle, that is equals to pi r square. 22/7 84 centimeter square, 22/7 84 centimeter square, 84 centimeter square. Simplify 7 with 84, 22 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 84, that is equals to 22,176 centimeter square. The cost of polishing the top surface, that is equals to area multiplied by area. So cost of polishing the top surface of table is equals to rupees 10 per centimeter square multiplied by 22176 centimeter square. You have to deduct the signs in rupees, so cost is going to be rupees 221760. Okay, so a horse is tied to a pole with 28-meter long string. Find the area where the horse can graze. Take 22/7 as pi. Here pole is fixed point and length of steer is equals to radius equals to 2 centimeter. Area where horse can graze, that equals to area of circle, that's equals to pi r square. 22/7 by 28 meter square. So then you have to open it. You have to simplify 7 with 28, 22 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 28, that gives you 2464 meters square. Now find area in the following figures. So as you can see, this figure is made up of three figures, A, B, and C, two semicircles and a square. So area of figure is equals to area of semicircle. Let's find out the area first. The circle first. Diameter is equals to 2 in radius. That means that 2/2, that equals to 1. So area of circle is equals to pi r square. Area of circle is equals to 3.14 and 1 square. So 3.14 inch square. So area of semicircle is equals to 3.14 divided by 2 inch square, and area of square figure A is equals to area of semicircle is equals to 1.57 inch square, and area of semicircle is equals to area of figure C is equals to 1.57 inch square, and area of figure B is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 is equals to inch square. Area of full figure is equals to, you have to add them all, 4 inch square plus 7 inch square plus 1.75 inch square. So area of full figure is 7.14 inch square. Now and here we are having find area of a circle when its radius is 7 centimeter. Solution is going to be radius equals to 7 centimeter, pi is equals to 22/7, area of circle is equals to pi square, that is equals to 22/7 square. So 7 square is 49 centimeter. You have to divide 7 with 49, so we're going to get 7. So 22 minus 7 centimeter square is equals to 154 centimeter square. Okay, so now diameter of a base of a right conical tent is 24 meter. Calculate area of the base. Find the cost of spreading carpet, rupees 10 per meter around it. Okay, so area of base of conical tent, so it's pi r square. 3.14 multiplied by 22 by 2 square, and then 12 square, and 3.14 multiplied by 144, that equals to 452.16 meter squares. You have to find the cost of spreading carpet, so that's rate multiplied by area, so rupees 10 multiplied by 452.16. You have to find the cost, so that's going to be, you're gonna multiply it with 10, you're gonna get 4 rupees 4521.6, and yeah. Okay, so that's it about the class. Hope you liked today's class. It was a bit short but very easy, and I will be right back with you guys, and we are gonna discussing the whole concept of area of a circle and circumference for the final time. Thank you so much for listening to me. Bye bye. Love is everyone.